Coming up, I will discuss why writing a LinkedIn recommendation does not have to be hard. I will share a LinkedIn recommendation template so you can create a personalized recommendation easily. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. Most of us have worked with really good colleagues who we want to recommend on LinkedIn. Using a LinkedIn recommendation template can simplify the process. The problem is writing the actual LinkedIn recommendation. It always takes more time than we thought. So how can you write a recommendation that stands out on LinkedIn and comes from the heart? The challenging task of writing a LinkedIn recommendation can be simplified and shortened. Wouldn't it be nice to have a template for your LinkedIn recommendation that you can easily tweak? So the next time you've been asked to recommend someone on LinkedIn, follow this template. I will include the template in the link below. Here's a quick preview of the template. Descriptive phrase is the phrase that comes to mind when I think about insert name. I've had the pleasure of knowing insert name for a length of time, how long you've known that person, during which description of your working relationship. Above all, I was impressed with insert that person's name, ability, and then a description of what makes that person really stand out. And of course, his or her, you put in the personality trait. Insert the name would be a true asset for any positions requiring you put 1 to 2 skills needed for that position, and comes with my heartfelt recommendation. So why is this LinkedIn recommendation template so handy? This template is invaluable because it provides 10 areas to complete or 5 key sections. Let's dive into the 5 key areas of this template. We will explore why it is so helpful to have it when writing a LinkedIn recommendation. Section 1, a compelling start. The first line is always so important when writing persuasive copy. It should grab your audience into your story and encourage them to read on. To stand out, your recommendation needs to have an apparent reason for spending time on this person. Section 2, how do you know them? It's important to tell others how you know that person. Explain how you work together. Mention how long you've known each other. Describe the relationship you had while working together. You don't have to get into every detail. Others must know the nature of your relationship. Explain why you can speak about that person's qualifications, skills, and personality. Section 3, what makes them different and unique? When you have agreed to recommend someone, it is because they have a lot of traits you like about them. You can't list every skill and reason. Instead, you must state at a high level why you think they are smart and talented. What makes this person so enjoyable to work with that you want others to know about it? Section 4, why did you like working with them? People want to hire superstars or rock stars that are great to work with, but everything needs context. What did you like about working with them? What personality did they have? What story can you tell that gives insight into that person and why they are such a good employee? Section 5, it ends strong by bringing it all together. Most people remember the beginning and end of something. So make sure your closing line sums up everything nicely. Why are you giving that person a recommendation? It should bring everything together in one nice sentence. So use this template the next time you write a LinkedIn recommendation. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Remember to use this LinkedIn recommendation template the next time you are asked for a LinkedIn recommendation. It will make your life easier and you can write more recommendations on LinkedIn. I will put a link below to the LinkedIn recommendation template. Here's a quick view of the LinkedIn recommendation template. This template will make sure your LinkedIn recommendation stands out. The person you recommend will love you as a result. And their LinkedIn profile just got tons better because of you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.